What time is it, Emily?
The time is on my watch. It's 4:17.
No. It's cooking time.
It's cookie time, everybody. My name is Emily Thompson. And look at my body, Cindy.
And I'm Sydney. Where's the other cord?
We are put on the apron.
We put on our... Oh. No, wait,
Look your hands properly.
let me see my apron. Can you see it? Ooh.
Your turn.
My turn. People ever get bored of watching us wash our hands? I don't think so. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Sydney and Emily show.
And I'm Emily.
And I'm Emily. Both of us are called Emily. The Emily and Emily show.
Emily Cindy show.
Yeah, so today we're cooking chicken nachos.
Yes, chicken nachos. Yeah, we cook.
Yeah, do you want to show the picture? Okay, so let's begin. What do we need first?
We need 2 carrots, please.
2 carrots. Ah! Oh no! The lemon fell out of the
It doesn't need lemon.
Yeah, it fell out of the fridge. 2 carrots.
So. Hey! I got drop.
Some people call them zucchini. Zucchini.
I don't make zucchini.
Yeah, that's the same thing. It's just got a different name.
You do this for me, please. That's myself. 480 grams of chicken. You need 4 chicken of nacho seasoning.
Nacho seasoning.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you call cheese that's not yours?
Everybody cheese.
Nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese, everybody.
Okay, I got another one. What do you call a nosy pepper? What do you call a nosy pepper? Jalapeno business?
Chili bean.
Jalapeno business. Do you get it? Jalapeno business, like jalapeno chili beans.
Beef stock. I mean chicken stock.
Gluten-free chicken stock.
I mean beef.
Did you say? Well, we'll use chicken.
I can't remember which one.
We'll use chicken because we're using chicken.
Let's say that.
1 cup of gluten-free chicken stock.
We need 50 grams of tomato paste.
Oh! Tomato paste.
We need 2 tomatoes. And we got more cheese, which need it.
Are we starting the cheese debacle again? Does it say cheese on there?
Yeah.
1 cup of grated cheese.
Grated cheese.
Where are we going to find the grated cheese? Oh, 2 tomatoes.
My curry.
Emily had it in her cubby hole. Cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Blue skidoo, we can too. Okay, what's
Step 1. Grated carrots and carrot.
courgette? These things. Do you want to grate them? Beautiful girl. Bong, bong.
That's my favorite. Let's grate.
That's great. Do you get it? That's great. Put the oil in the pan.
Nice man, my hand always ordered doing it.
Your hand's always sore.
Yep.
I think that that's an excuse. Fine, I'll grate the carrot. I'm loving angels instead.
What are you doing?
Eating carrot.
I finished. The second carrot is almost done. Now you can grate my carrot in there, please.
Mitzi will do it. Touch the dog. Ooh, baby, do you know that's what? Ooh, heaven is a place.
Please on
They say in heaven. Chicken in a bag. How's it going over there, chef?
Like that.
Keep it in the middle because that's where it's hottest.
How about that?
It's not cooked yet.
What?
It's still really pink. It's nowhere near done.
Miki. We got to mix that after that. About number 3.
Yep, go.
Step
Tell us.
3. With 2 pieces to roll and add chili bean stock, tomato paste, celery, carrot, and salt.
Can't
not
talk about boys on the camera. Do now.
Now we put in the chili beans.
You might need a spoon. Scissors.
I don't need it.
Yes, you do. You need to cut it.
No?
Yes.
That's not really clean.
I'll do it. Do you want help? See here, you got to cut here and here. Move your fingers.
I don't know how. That's eating.
Oh, arguments are our favourite thing, aren't they? The courgette and the carrot in.
We put one thing first.
Don't flick it all over the place.
About it.
You're missing the frying pan.
Now let's put carrots.
Next up, carrots. Oh, Emily! Okay, what's the salt? How much salt? Yum. 1 teaspoon. The best thing. Oh,
Oh yeah.
is it good? Mmm. Yum. So you know what you're doing? You're cutting them into 1 centimetre squares.
About it.
A bit smaller.
Why you bump me?
I didn't mean to. I was cleaning up your mess.
Sorry about it.
I love nachos.
Me too. You take it out of a chopping board. About it.
Perfect. Cheese. Look. How do you do it?
It's like that.
You're a very talented young. Okay, so I'm making the sour cream thing. So you put all of this sour cream. Ooh. Mix it all up. So that is our. How many videos have we done now?
3.
That's our 3rd video done and dusted. How do you think it's going to taste?
You guys, that's amazing.
It will taste amazing. So that's us signing out for the Emily and Sydney show. Good work. You're getting there. Any final words?
Nah.
Nah. Okay. Bye.
Bye, everybody. And remember on YouTube channel, please.
Yeah, remember to subscribe and
put it
like.
on Facebook.
And put it on Facebook. Send it to your grandparents, your
And
wives.
messages and Twitter.
And Twitter, apparently. Spread the word. Bye.